I'm singing, I love something. So let's get to it because I love this so much. Hello, I'm Tia. Welcome back to my channel. And I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Doll babies? Doll babies. Mirror, doll babies. You know exactly what's happening when I'm doing all of this with a wig, right? Okay. And I'm slightly hyperactive. So, okay, what do we got going on here? We have a show and tell, and I'm showing and telling because I'm loving. Okay, I have this hat wig from the Vivica Fox collection, and I think she has a name, Romina. This is Romina. I have her in the color FS4/30. She is heat safe 356 degrees to 392. That is very, very, very specific. Okay. And it's called the Cap Do Instant Celebrity Style Celebrity Undercover Look. Hold it up. So my boyfriend and I always have a joke because we watch a lot of true crime, and anytime someone's like trying to do like something sneaky, they always have like a hat on, a hood, and some sunglasses. Because in a regular day, someone with a hat, hood, and sunglasses, you're just not going to notice them at all. Okay, so this is going to be my true crime hat. Anyway, it says great for quick runs and working out, sporty and trendy, protects natural hair. I got her from Samsbeauty for $17.99. I actually am already, there's at least 1 or 2 more. I'm gonna go order them. I'm gonna order them because I love it. So I am growing my hair out. So my natural hair is in a weird time in general, and also I'm not sure what's gonna happen when I grow it out because I do have alopecia. Sometimes it grows out and it looks nice, and sometimes it doesn't, so I have no idea what's gonna happen. So I am loving this. It's very comfortable. I did show you how I got her together. The one tip I have is that this little tab goes into the hat, which is a really nice feature, but in order to tighten it, you have to pull it out, tighten it, and then sort of thread it back in. I'm not wearing a wig cap with this. Super comfortable. Like, I'm so excited. I think I might actually want to get another one in different colors. This is a silkier texture. I did use some dry shampoo on her, and she's long. I'm going almost in the 30 inches, but she would be easy to cut. Oh yeah, I'm 5'6.5", and this is to my natural waist, my belly button. So this is 28 inches long. She's so pretty. I think it's like a silky texture, so you're gonna have to keep on her, but because it's a hat wig, you're not gonna be messing with it as much, and I think the luster is gorgeous. It looks like really like healthy, non-textured hair. This is like my new favorite wig brush. It is like customizable in terms of what type of detangling you need, and I have these for sale on my Poshmark, so I just wanted to say that because I forget to say stuff like that. Let's look at her from the back. I just feel like this is so nice. I like how the back is. Some hat wigs are kind of janky in the back, but if you can see here, this would feed back into this. I just didn't do it because I needed to tighten it quite a bit. See, she's long.
Look at those locks, look at those inches.
But she's not a ton of hair, and I feel like you could easily like put her in a ponytail to work out in, apparently. Not that anybody can go to a dang gym anymore, but it's what it is. I'm loving this. Yeah, she's a little bit silky. Just put some dry shampoo in her. Don't mess with her too much. You're gonna have to comb her. You may have to cut her to the length. Like maybe this is more of a better length. But I'm so happy with this for the on-the-go, quickity-splittity, lickety-split type situation. So if you want to see more of these hat wigs, then let me know. I mean, I'm gonna do it anyway, but just let me know. I did round out the rim because that's just my style. Very, very comfortable. I'm so happy. And how much was she? $18. Come on. So that's what I have for you for this hat wig. If you have this wig or a wig like this and you have some thoughts, put that down below. If you would like to see another hat wig, I did review another one from Amazon. I have to say I like this one better. But also, that one had a black baseball hat, and I'm just like not a baseball person. I love this army hat thing, so I think that may be the, what it really is. I'm getting a little bit of catching, but not too much, especially for this length. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.